Okay, we're on another Southwest Airline airplane. This is flight 2148. And yes, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Another word is earthquakey. I'm going to point the camera over here so I don't block your way.
Okay.
Sorry, Hanny, I did not get a good view of the airport and I didn't get no elevator. Sorry about that, Hanny. Here we go. Listen to the motor. By. Here we go.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get you on picture, okay?
It's okay.
For some reason that says this seat does not recline. I'm not sure if you're seeing this or not, but look at that desert.
That's a golf course.
Huh?
That's a golf course.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. I am having a wild ride on this airplane. Alright, since there's no more view, I'm going to say that's it. And see you at the landing.